A very good morning to all the children of class 3 and welcome to your English literature class. Today we will revise the lesson and the new words a bit and then we will do exercise. Okay. That is practice exercise and practice comprehension. So let's begin. We'll give a reading to this page and we have already done this new words. We will revise this once more. So Rudyard Kipling was an English journalist, short story writer, poet and novelist who was born in Bombay, now in Mumbai. Much of his work was inspired by his life in India. His most famous works are The Jungle Book, The Man Who Would Be King, and Kim. Okay. There was a time when the elephant's nose was no bigger than a boot. He could move it from one side to the other, but an elephant's child changed all that. A very curious baby elephant. He was such a curious fellow that he always asked many questions. He would ask questions about anything that he saw or heard or felt or smelled or touched. He asked the ostrich why her tail feather grew just so. He asked the giraffe what made his skin spotty. He asked the hippo why his eyes were red, and the baboon why melons tasted as they did. His parents and all his uncles and aunts would spank him when he wouldn't stop asking questions. What does a crocodile have for dinner? He asked one day. Shh, said all the animals. But he would not stay quiet. He kept on asking and asking everybody he met. One day he met the Colo bird. She told him where he would find an answer. So the new words were Rudyard Kipling. This is the name of the author who was the English journalist. Okay. Rudyard Kipling. Rudyardkipling. Okay. English journalist. English. English journalist. Journalist. Who is a journalist who takes information about the topic English. Okay. Novel. Who takes information, who researches and then writes. Novelist. Novelist. Who is a novelist who writes novel. Famous. Famous. Elephant's nose. Elephant. Elephant apostrophe S. This is apostrophe. Elephants. Okay. Nose. Noac. That is, it is elephants. It is hers. It is his. It is its. Okay. Curious. 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 We know this meaning. Eager to know. Question. Questions. Ostrich. Ostrich. Spotty. Spotty. Baboon. Babon. Melons. Melons. Spank. 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 Crocodile. Crocodile. Colo bird. Kolo. Colo bird. Bird. Answer. Answer. Okay. We can move on to the next page. Go to the grey green greasy Limpopo river, she said. You will find your answer there. So off he went, carrying a load of bananas and sugarcane and melons. He would be hungry on the way, you see. After a week, after how many days? After 7 days or after a week of trudging, means walking slowly and heavily because he was tired, and budging means moving. He reached where he had to reach. At the end of the river, he stepped on what he thought was a log of wood. It winked one eye. Excuse me, have you seen a crocodile in these parts? Asked the elephant's child politely. The creature winked the other eye and half lifted his tail out of the mud. I am the crocodile, he said. The elephant's child grew excited and knelt down. What is kneel down? Sitting on your knees. I have been looking for you all these days, he said. Will you please tell me what you have for your dinner? So the new words are Limpopo, Limpopo. I have circled 3 words, grey, greasy, grey, green, greasy. I will do this with you later on. Just remember and circle it accordingly. I'll do this later on. Limpopo, Limpopo, sugarcane, 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 trudging, Trudging, budging, Budging, excuse me, Excuse, excuse, me, crocodile, Crocodile, polite, 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 creature, Creature, kneeled, Kneeled. Understood? So these are the words, and that is the previous page. You will revise these words. Now there is a practice page in page number 48. 48. There is a state true or false. You have to write true or false here in the blank. Do it in your book, no problem. Please sit with the book when you watch the video. Page number 48. Number 1. The elephant's child was very curious. True. Long ago, elephant has small nose. Very true. Yes, it's true. The elephant's child managed to make his nose smaller by wrapping it in a banana leaf. Did he? Could he? No. So it's a false statement. Now you turn to page 48. You will get 2 more in the beginning of the page. Okay, number 4. The baby elephant thought that his new nose was quite useless. False, because he could pluck fruits from the tree directly, and he could also swing to the end of the body from one side to the other. All the other elephants went to the crocodile to get longer nose. Yes, they were jealous of the baby elephant, and they thought no more, not anything more. He cannot only enjoy the fruit of this. We all need to go to the crocodile. So all they went. Yes, it's a true statement. So first one is true. Long ago, elephant had small nose. False. Yes, true. The elephant's child managed to make his nose smaller. False. The baby elephant thought that his new nose was quite useless. False. All other elephant went to crocodile to get longer nose. True. Okay, children. So that's all for today. We will do the question and answers of page 49, number C. We will do it in the next video. Okay. Only the book question we will do today, do in the next video. Thank you everyone, and have a good day.